This whole lemon drink went viral. So today we're going to give it a whirl. We're going to see how it comes out. I'm a little skeptical. A whole lemon, is it going to be bitter? I don't know. We're going to find out together. Got our blender, got our lemon. Make sure it's an organic lemon because you're putting the whole peel, everything in. You want to make sure you're not getting any pesticides or anything that you don't want there. So give it a good scrub. Get the whole lemon in there. If you have a regular blender, I'd recommend cutting it into quarters. And we have a piece of ginger, about 1.5 inches or so of ginger. That's going to add a nice spice, I think. Calls for 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, but I don't do oil, so I'm going to do these hemp hearts or hemp seeds instead. And these are packed with so many good nutrients, omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, as well as plant-based protein. It has 10 grams per serving, 2 tablespoons. So they're very nutritious. And so I'm going to get those in there. Calls for honey, but I'm vegan, so I'm going to do agave, 2 tablespoons of that. Normally I would just do dates, but I want this to be a yellow lemonade instead of a sort of muted yellow, because the dates will kind of give it a brownish color. So this will just look prettier. So yeah. And we got that. And now we're just going to go in with the water. We have 3 cups. Now, time to blend. Let's see what happens. Fingers crossed this doesn't break my blender. Oh, wow. That's lemony. That wasn't much sweetener for all of this, but okay, we're going to try it. I don't know if I absolutely have to strain it, but I'm just going to go ahead and strain it anyway. Got a strainer here. Yeah, let's pour it up and see what we've got. The hemp seeds really gave kind of a creaminess, which I don't know if you would get with the oil. And as a side note, if you're looking for plant-based milks rather than buying store-bought dairy-free milks, you can make plant-based milks at home super easy. And actually hemp seeds or hemp hearts are really great for that because you don't need to soak them or anything, and you just put them in with your blender with some water and you're going to be good to go, and it comes out great. So a little tip for you, and it's super economical. Don't toss away the pulp. It's lots of good nutrition in there. You can stir it into a smoothie bowl or add it to homemade energy bars, or I plan to mix it into my yogurt. I make a super simple homemade vegan Greek yogurt with just 2 ingredients. So I'm probably going to use it in that. That looks really good. Okay, now the moment of truth. We're going to try it. I'm going to get a nice glass full of ice so it'll be nice and refreshing. Oops. I think actually the hemp seeds gave it this creaminess. It's basically like adding a plant-based milk. We just blended it with water. Wow. Wow. This looks really good. Oh, it's tart. It's lemony, and it's not that sweet. If you like a sweeter beverage, you might want to add a little more sweetener. I'm going to add a little more agave and see what happens. Just a little bit. Teaspoon or half a teaspoon, I guess that is. I could even add a touch more. Okay. That's probably a whole teaspoon more. Wow. Wow. What? Let me know if you give this a try. It's really nice.